It's Tuesday, and I thought they were digging some drainage. It looks like they're digging something else. I have to find out what that is. It almost looks like they were digging, you know, for another foundation, which they're not. So I have to figure out what that is. The carpenter's disassembling all the forms for the floor. You got guys that are pulling out every nail, so they're going to take all this stuff away. Reuse it, of course. Well, I was told what this is for. This is to get the dirt away from the block, so a smooth coat of cement can be put on, kind of like the cement coat on the cistern, to give it a waterproof barrier. So those guys are working hard. It's difficult, and a waterproof barrier will keep moisture, a lot of moisture, out of the downstairs basement. So they got to cut all that and down through here, and then they'll put on a coat of smooth cement. It's Wednesday morning, a lot of activity today. The truck is bringing some more cement. They brought some more conduit, a bunch of more rebar, block. We got a bunch of people here working all over. Francis is here, working on the pool, laying out the pool. We got some guys with some more wood. I think we're going to be making some forms on the corners. Some more wood back there. So a lot going on today. This is in the garage, and this space here is going to make an awesome workbench between the concrete blocks. Fantastic. This is the portico, and boy, it's plenty of room to park 2 cars right there. That's fantastic. Not to mention a 2-car garage. They're building the front wall of the house up to the property line. That opening is going to be where the door is. Block by block it goes up. Maestro says it was going to be finished by tomorrow. I don't see how possible. I don't think it's possible to have all the blocks up by tomorrow. But Francis did say that as soon as the block is up, they're going to start putting the forms on the columns. They have to build some beams with rebar across some of the openings, and then all that gets poured in back with concrete. So that'll be the next step. They made a fancy ladder. This worker, whose name is Sandy, has been here since the very first day. And looks like his task now is to start to clean up some of the residual cement from the block. A little bit of a cleanup now.